In this lecture, we have to see what is meant by orchestration and choreography. So first, what is meant by orchestration is a automated configuration management and a coordination of the computer systems, applications and services. Orchestrations helps the IT to more easily manage the complex tasks and workflows. When you start if it is a network orchestration means it is also known as a software defined networking. Orchestration is in cloud is the process of automating the task needed to manage connections and operations of the workloads. So this is what the orchestration is. So the next one, so how the orchestrations can relay with the services. So what are all the requests and responses from the orchestrations and the services, which is explained in the diagram. The orchestration usually used in the private business processes, a central process which can be another web service. Whatever the web services can take the control of involved web services. The coordination is the main thing that executes the different operations on the web service involved in the operations. So it is used in the private business processes. So the next one, so how the orchestrations can again invoke with the services, which is explained here. Some from the web service 1, the orchestration coordinator, it receives the service and it reply back based upon with all the web services, and then at last it reply the final message. Choreography is nothing but it describes the interaction between the multiple services where an orchestration represents the control from one party perspective. So this means that a choreography differs from an orchestration with respect to where the logic that controls the interaction between the services involved in the resides. It does not rely on the central coordinator, but orchestrations it rely on the central coordinator. Each services involved in the choreography is known as exactly when to execute its operation and with whom to interact. So the collaboration effort is focused and all the participants in the choreography need to be aware of the business process, operations to execute, messages exchanges. So it should be a clear view in choreography than in the orchestration, because it is not in a central manner. Orchestration is a centralized process. So what is orchestrations and choreography is? Orchestrations entails the actively controlling all the elements and interactions, like a conductor directs the musicians of an orchestra, while in choreography entails establishing a pattern or a routine that a microservice follow as the music play without requiring any supervision or instructions. So this is what the orchestrations and this is what the choreography is. In this it is clearly explained in this diagram what is meant by orchestrations and what is meant by choreography. So here the web services in orchestrations is a centralized business process overflow, but in choreography it is a collaboration among the web services. So the next one, so orchestration versus choreography. So from the perspective, the coordination of the component process is centrally managed by the coordinator. Web services can be incorporated without their being aware they are taking in any largest business processes. Alternative scenarios can be put in the place in case of fault occurrence. So from the perspective of the composing web services to execute the business process, orchestration is more flexible paradigm and has the following advantage over the choreography. So these are all the main things, orchestrations and the choreography. So in this the block diagram explains how the choreography will be working. So the between the web services, how the invoke reply responses will be. So the orchestration versus choreography, the two different way of describing the business process that supports the orchestration and choreography is executable process and then abstract business protocols. So the first execution process, it allows you to specify the exact detail of the business process. They follow the orchestration paradigm and can be executed by an orchestration engine, but in abstract business protocols allow a specific of the public message exchange between the parties only. They do not include the internal detail of the process flow and are not executable. So they follow the choreographic paradigm. So these are all the two business processes. So BPEL is nothing but business process execution language. Thank you.